So hi everyone, this is Midhiba welcoming you all on D36 of this show. Today I want to talk about the comments which I got in my earlier post, which is all about feminism. Only one topic, that is feminism, can trigger a lot of people. I even don't have the idea of it. So what happened? I only wanted to clarify the meaning of feminism in that video. I didn't say a word, but I portrayed it in a different way. Like I just posted is as only mean kind of thing. Like I just said that being confidently wrong, that they think feminism is only for women. I even added the description or caption in that video that feminism is not only for women, it's all about basic rights, equality, regardless of gender. I also mentioned that how some people use the word feminism like as an insult for women. Like if she is standing for herself, taking stand for herself, living her life in her own terms, they just comment like you call feminist, average feminist, and many of the things in the comment section. And what I really got in my comment section was really disgusting. Like they just proved that what I'm talking about, how they just misunderstood the word feminism. That is not only mean to make it in that way. So the comment which I got from the people who actually got triggered from that post, in the comment, the people comment, they just commented like, if we talk about equality, they even not talking in that way, they're just keeping their point that no, it's only for women and women itself, not for men. If it will for men, so it's not named as at feminism, because the word feminism came from women, so they think their whole definition is covered in that word. And when I'm just trying to explain them that it's just because in the history women just treated as inferior and they only have the fewer rights, that was not acceptable at all. Women faces a lot of challenges from decades, like in education, in many of the things, the countless things. And this is not end yet. One man said that if you want equality, if you really want to compete with men, so why women are not in the front rows? Like seriously, bro, you need to update yourself firstly. Then you have don't have to comment like in this way in random videos when you don't have the correct information. You even don't know the correct updates about our military. So when you talk about in front roles of military, so women already serving the nation in front roles as well. They are serving like fighters, pilot fighters, navy officers, and in many of the operational roles as well. So update yourself. You are just wanted to win one argument, so you can't disrespect our army or their sacrifices to just win a gender war which you created by your own self. When we talk about equality, it's not about being superior or making feel someone inferior. It's not about it at all. And one of the men also said that why women don't do hard work, labor work. Bro, you really need to search before comment. Ever you not see women working on labor, construction, sanitization? They are already working in many of the places. Can't you see? And one person there to bring that point, that if feminism is for men too, so why there is no UN men? Why is there is only UN women? I just clarify him that UN women just created as a globally issues for women, which was there over decades. So you can't just do this to prove that point. I explained him in very beautiful manner, because in historically globally women face a lot of issues, that's why there is UN women. Then he just raised the point that you are just seeing that men haven't faces any issues. And then I also commented that yes, men also have a lot of issues, that should be addressed. There is no fight on it. But when we talk about feminism, it's it's talk about equality, not only for women but also for men too. But he was not ready to accept that point. Then I got that he only wanted to argue to just prove that point. Why is there no UN men? I just said him that you can create a UN men if you wanted to. And someone said, why is there? Because of feminism, there is a high increase in crime led by women. There is high increase in divorce and breaking the families, ruin the joint family. You need to understand that family is not just joined or built by one individual. Family built by respect, understanding, dignity, and communication. This is not built by equal rights. How family can break by if someone or one gender got equal rights? Like how? The reason behind it could be financial issue, misunderstanding, or abuse, and many of the things. But you can't blame the feminists just because you want to prove your point. Someone said that feminists support criminals. No, a criminal is always a criminal, whether it's a man or woman. No one should support criminal as a gender. They should be punished for what they have done. So feminists don't support women. And someone said that because of feminism, they got the confidence to do such crime like this. Like, what is that point? Exactly senseless. Like, if the men have same masculinity, that they are just doing such kind of things, are they blind that they are not able to see all the daily cases which happen from decades and happening right now as well? Threats, assault, harassment. Even a girl is not safe in a public place. And then men says, why women blame or say all men are same? Because they really have the fear regarding their safety. They have concerns a lot about it because they just born in that environment where they had told you don't have to go all alone. You have to be careful. You don't have to go on that place, their place. You don't have to a lot of things you have to careful from this that a lot of concern they have in their mind regarding their safety, and as you can see a lot of cases even a child is not safe. So how you can accept that or expect that a woman can just trust any random man? Yes, their means is simple, not all men, but when we don't know which men have true intentions or which don't, so we are not safe. We have to live with that concern. And when we talk about feminism, it's all about equality. Please understood that concept. Don't misunderstood it, please.